More healthcare providers opened drive-through testing sites today for people with symptoms of the coronavirus.
Lauren Linder shows us how that's easing the testing load on the state lab in Madison.
Traffic signs now line the streets by Ascension's West Dallas Gateway Clinic, directing cars to a drive-through testing site for the coronavirus. It's one of many that opened Monday, designated for those with milder symptoms to separate them from the more critical patients at Ascension's hospitals. Others are in Franklin, Milwaukee, Wauwatosa, Mount Pleasant, and Grafton, with more opening in the area later this week. Like all testing sites, you can't just show up. You'll need to undergo a phone or virtual screening ahead of time. Then, if warranted, a nurse will make you an appointment. An Ascension spokesperson says they have the supplies available to test these additional patients. On the other hand, officials at Aurora Healthcare say because of the national shortage of test kits, they're putting a hold on opening drive-through sites to conserve tests for those in critical need. Initially, they expected to open one this week at St. Luke's in Milwaukee. The drive-through testing site at Freighter South's Pleasant Prairie Clinic also remains open by appointment for those who meet CDC criteria.
What is happening through the state lab is about 400 tests a day.
According to the Department of Health Services, they're starting to see more healthcare providers have the capacity to test their own samples, taking a burden off the state lab. Until the testing supplies increase and more clinical labs receive authorization, they urge providers to only send samples from critical patients to the lab.
We prioritize testing for people for whom it's most important to know for their own management clinically.
Officials from Ascension tell me samples taken at these drive-through sites will be sent to commercial labs for testing. For everything you need to know about testing, visit tmj4.com/coronavirus for information from all local healthcare providers. Reporting in West Dallas, Lauren Linder, TMJ4 News.